Guys, people are cashing out with this app right now. All right, this is a sample of a withdrawal made from this app. It is legit, no scam. Go ahead and start using it. All right, guys, you can make money from this app by playing games, little games. It is very simple to play. If this sounds like what is interesting to you, do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will have more of my videos when next I drop. I'm just going to show you how you can play this game. I'll leave the link in the description for you to sign up. All right, as you can see here on my screen, these are the tasks that I've done, the levels I've played, and then when you get to a certain level, it will prompt you to receive a particular amount of money. You can do it anywhere in the world. All right, it's not just for Africans, it's for everyone. All right, you can start playing, and then now I want to claim this. All right, you see, I've just claimed this figure right now from the game that I played. All right, it is very interesting. It is very simple for you to do. It is very simple. All right, guys, so let me show you how to play. So you're just going to click on this start game. All right, the game is going to load. You are going to kill these bad guys here. You're going to hurt them, right? You're also going to hit them, all right? And then you're going to further ensure that you don't hit the guys that is good. All right, you're going to see a guy that is good beside it. That this man here is very nice, so you don't need to hit him. So let's see again. This is the second stage of playing. All you want to hurt is this guy here, right? This chimpanzee, that is the one you want to hurt. All right, you're going to take it out. Good, you just did that. As you can see, guys, the game, it is very simple and straightforward. So when you're doing this, you're getting to the next level and to the next level, and then your fund is increasing. All right, then when you get to a certain amount, you can withdraw. All right, so like this game I played right now, I did it the wrong way. I was not able to do it the right way, so I hit the good guy. That guy in the middle is the good guy. I don't need to hit him. If I hit him, that means I miss. All right, see, I hit him again, so I miss. So I'm going to retry and play it again. This time I'm going to make sure that I get it very correctly. All right, I got the first one out, so it's to kick the next one out, right? So I'm just going to be strategic and do that. Good, I got it now. As you can see, points is allocated to me, and approximately this is figure. All right, this is the money I can cash. As you can see, I'm in level 77. That means I have played this game over and over. Now this is where you need to cash out. It is very interesting. All right, you're withdrawing with what? PayPal. You're using your PayPal to cash out. As you can see here on my balance, I have $7. All right, and then I need to get to that threshold for me to be able to withdraw. So for you to withdraw, you just have to put in your email, right, and then put in your password, and then you take it out. Right, the minimum withdrawal there, as you can see, is $9.08, right? $9.80. So it is very simple. So I think you should go ahead and try this website, and if you need more tutorials like this or cashing out on games and other mining crypto apps, any way to make money online, do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be among the first to get my videos when next I drop another video. See you on my next video, guys. Peace.